Hi everyone, if you didn't notice yet, Meta just released a new update of the operating system, version 2.1. So in this version, let's take a look. You have basically a difference in the versioning. So right now is Meta Horizon operating system 2. The previous version was version 85, this one. So you see the number is different, it's actually less. But that's not because we're going backwards, it's just that they made the numbering more clear, basically. So it's clear, straightforward, the versioning system, 2.1, 2.2, and so on. So that is very noticeable. You can get this if you are in the public test channel, just for your information. And other things, for example, you will notice here, you don't have anymore the Meta Horizon feed. You don't have it. You start with the store here. Before it was here, a new icon, but now it's gone, and you will be able to retrieve it here. So here you have words and all the other apps. In the release notes, they also mentioned the battery that is here. They mention it as a news, but honestly, this was already there, so I don't know what changed. I noticed that also the icon of the profile is different. The background is gray now. And you will also notice that if you have multiple accounts, once the headset goes in standby and you reactivate it, you will find a different UI for the profile selection. Okay, what else? They made some adjustments on snapping the windows in Passthrough. So you should be able to snap them to walls more easily. Let's see, okay, this one over here. See, even if I put it far away like this, it is snapped closer. Now, can this be improved? Yes, for sure. But there are some little improvements. Then the other thing is the resizing of the windows. So if you put it far away, it becomes bigger, so you can read it even if it is far away. And if you put it here, it resizes. So you see, it doesn't stay as big, it resizes. I'll do it once again. Okay, so these are the most noticeable things. They also added other things. For example, let me double check here. Here they mention in settings, you don't have to restart if you change the display theme. Now this is something that it didn't work for me, so I don't know if you managed to do it. But if I go here and I want to change, I have to restart, even though in the release notes they say that is not required anymore. And another change is that when you share pictures from the gallery, you should be able to select with which app you can share them. So I think it was here, yeah. Microphone, set camera, photos. Okay, here you can select enable and disable with which apps can get access to your photos and videos. So these are the main innovations here in this version. Let me know if I skipped anything and if something else is different on your side. And yeah, see ya.